what's up? It is Brandy Chanell, and if you are new to my channel, here on this channel we talk about everything from hair to makeup to pretty much all things beauty and lifestyle. So if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Double tap on that so you can catch all my new videos and join the notification gang. All right, let's get on to the subject matter at hand. All right guys, so today I'm going to do a styling video. I have several outfits and they're going to be key pieces for all the outfits, but they all will be dealing with faux leather. So I am a lover of faux leather, and a lot of people ask, like, how do you wear faux leather without being too biker-ish? So I want to show you guys how to incorporate faux leather into your wardrobe. All the items in this video will be in the description box if I can find them, or I'll find similar ones and I will leave a link to those in the description box. And you can also check out my Amazon store because any items I purchase from Amazon will be on there. You can wear faux leather in an athleisure way, as well as you can wear it just very subtly in more of a dressy kind of way, like this dress here. I'm wearing it here today with this white top and these red sneakers, or as my friends from London call them, trainers. And this just kind of is a dress down way to wear faux leggings. These are motorcycle leggings, so you can get that motorcycle detailing with a little pop of red. All right, so next up will be two styles of faux leggings with this same white top. The first set are kind of like a denim style. They're not actually denim, but the style of them are your typical denim style with the 2 pockets, 2 to 4 pockets in the front and the 2 pockets on the back with the loops and a zipper. And then the other style of faux leggings we have here are a traditional faux legging where it's the elastic waist, and these are a little jazzy because they have the zippers on the bottom. But these two styles give you 2 variations to a faux leather skirt. Y'all, I got this skirt from Amazon, which is freaking nuts. It was for the Lolo and I absolutely love it. It pairs very basic with this faux leather skirt. You just wear a white top, a faux leather skirt, and then you can wear it with a jacket. You can wear it by itself. You can wear a nice fancy belt, however you want to wear it, but it gives you a very basic base to kind of accessorize on top of. Now we're gonna move into keep this same skirt. This top is a ruffle sweater. I'm obsessed with ruffle sweaters. It was more a last year's thing, but I try to buy pieces that I can wear, kind of classic pieces that won't go out of style even if it is trendy. All right, and last but not least are 2 faux leather jackets. 2 different styles, both moto style, but 2 different moto styles, one with a faux fur, which is absolutely my favorite. And then there's another, just a basic moto jacket, and I paired those with this white top again and just a pair of skinny jeans from Fashion Nova. So we're gonna go with the basic moto jacket first. This moto jacket, obviously you can wear this with any kind of top, but I like to keep it classic. A classic look would be just the moto jacket, a plain tee, and some denim jeans. Skinnies are obviously in right now, so a skinny jean just sums it up. And then last but not least is the faux leather moto jacket. This definitely screams biker chick, but it also screams bougie chick. So bougie biker chick is what this jacket gives me. All right guys, so all in all, these items are not very expensive. All of them, I think each piece was at least under $50, if not under $20. So I'm trying to keep you guys coins in your pockets. So you guys, that's a very inexpensive way. You don't have to spend a lot of money to be fashionable. And I always suggest go look in your closet and see what you have and kind of mix and match pieces. Just play around with your wardrobe and see what you can find. All right, I will catch you guys in my next one. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that notification bell and subscribe button if you haven't already. And I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.